This is a video chart presentation to Alter NRG Corp. Alter trades on the Toronto Stock Exchange under ticker NRG. You can see across the 6-month chart, NRG's made a real nice climb from a support level down around 35 cents, more than doubled in value, and holding nearly every bit of the gains from highs of 82 cents hit in December. Since just sliding back a little bit, strong support at 70 cents, little bit of an up day on Thursday, just over 4% to close at 75 cents. For this chart, as long as this support level at 70 cents can stay intact, I think it's got a real nice look to try and push again and try and take out those old highs. I can see the MACD slipping back right along with the stock price. It's not that big of a surprise, but a close look shows the histogram bars moving back towards zero, which suggests that another bullish cross could be coming. And anytime the MACD wants to pull back down around zero and drop that bullish cross and make a move again, similar to right back here in October, you can see what happened with the price per share afterwards. So that's something to pay attention to and see if that bullish cross is indeed going to happen to show that the trend is shifting back towards bullishness. I see it the slow stow, rolling off a bottom, moving back up towards 50. Again, telling me that the momentum is trying to shift and go back towards bullishness in this chart. Ideally, it'll move back above 50 and hold that spot because that tells me that the momentum is being sustained in the play. Now, on a very similar note, the money flow index rolling off a bottom. Looks like it's just now ready to push back through 50 to indicate people are paying higher prices for the stock. Again, just all part of a consolidation that looks like it's shifting back towards bullishness. Stocks just can't go straight up forever. They're going to have pullbacks. They're going to drop into a little bit of a bearish position. But when you see the rotation, and the move back towards bullishness, that's when you want to be paying attention to them to see if the overall trend shift's going to happen, which will tell you to look for the next leg up and for higher highs to be made. And the relative strength index actually has a really nice look to it, primarily holding over that 50 mark now for a couple months, signaling that the momentum is staying in the chart and the bulls aren't really giving up a whole lot of ground to the bears. But with a reading at 53, it's time to watch to see if it's going to push back towards 70, an area technical traders refer to as the power zone because it signals very strong momentum. So all things considered, the indicators are looking pretty nice at this point, and tying in with the idea that this support may stay intact. And that's exactly what I'd be looking for. Now, it does pick up some more support right down around 62 cents, but that's just a little bit too far away for a stop loss, especially when there's a nice support area before it at 70. If it does break below that, that's where I'd look for the next support point to come in. Out of the upside, it's already facing a little bit of short-term resistance right through there at Thursday's closing price at 75 cents. That's going to be the first spot to see if it's going to continue with some upward pressure. There was a nice increase in volume yesterday up to 251,000 shares to push the stock price against that point. So on Friday, I'd be looking for volume to stay strong and see if it's going to take it out to go up and challenge those 82-cent highs. Beyond that, of course, there's no real resistance in sight. Bit of a blue sky breakout, and overall is continuing a very nice pattern of making higher highs and higher lows. Nice looking play. Could see a next leg up after this consolidation from the highs, and those are the things that I'd be looking for going forward. But as always, it's merely my interpretation of the NRG chart. I'm not a financial consultant and strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpennystocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure, and do not base any investment decisions on any material found on the website and/or video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching. Trade smart.